Hello again. We're at Lowry's today. It's Monday the 16th of August and there's a bit of a northwesterly blowing across. I don't normally fish during the day, it's nearly always evening time, but I've decided to come just to have a look today and see what the crack is. I'm going to actually head up to the ramper, although it's not going to be ideal because the wind's going to be blowing in on top of me, but I like a good breeze, so we'll take a walk around here and see what it produces. So here we are. I've made my way right out along the ramper, about to make my first proper cast. I haven't seen any sign of fish yet, not a rise nor a splash or anything. Well, there you go. Third cast. I wasn't expecting that. It's a standard issue rainbow caught in the dropper. If I can get that fella turned over. He's hooked in the bottom lip. Let's just get him back in again. Well, there you are. I have to say, that's a nice start. There's a fish that's just risen there and another one there. Let's see if I can get out over this fella. It's awkward casting into that wind. Again. Sorry about the wind noise, you'll probably not be able to hear me over it. Don't know what this is, I think it's just a standard. Oh no, it's a wee brownie. There you go. It's quite a small one now, I have to say. And he's taking that fly with some authority. And there they are, the joy of barbless hooks. The fly is out already. Lovely wee brownie. Away. The flies that I'm using today, I'm only using two. This is a Peter Smith special. It's dark and it's an orange fluorescent thread, and that's what's doing for them at the minute. I've another wee fly on here, sort of, yeah, that's it. I'll not even try to describe it. We're halfway back along the ramper now, and as you can see, there's nothing delicate about this. It's throwing into that wind is just not easy. The flies are lotting like a snatter, but sure, what are you gonna do? Oh, there's a fish there. Don't know if that's gonna cover it or not. Yep, he's had a look at it. We're away again on the point fly, which is the wee one that I was trying to describe to you. It's another small rainbow. Literally only 3 minutes after the last one there. There's quite a few fish rising, which is extremely promising. Just for your information, I'm heading back to the shore now. The ramper is like a sunken pathway, but there's a deep spot and there's weeds here and you have to get through the middle, and there's that one deep part that you get through now. As you can see, it's the top of thigh level, but you sort of dip down when you get through these weeds. There's a wee path you get through, which might actually be just here. Yeah, this is the deepest part now. And then once you get through that, you can see there, if you can see my feet or not. You try not to fall over, for flick's sake. And then once you get through that, you come back up again, and you're back to normality. That's the deepest part of it. The water's quite high at the minute, you see, so it is quite deep. Right, back up here, and I'm going to make my way around to the Armagh shore. Here's one for all you botanists out there. What is this stuff? I noticed it over the Armagh shore the other night, and I've googled it. It's not thistle, obviously. Thistle, it's not the same. I think it might be burdock. I wonder where the dandelions are. I'll have to have another Google of it. Yeah, I've made my way over to the Armagh shore, and this is much more civilised, but it's not exactly my thing, I have to say. Now, flat calms like this, I don't feel as confident. I've been enjoying Damien's down at the dam wall. He's just here for half an hour, and Danny has gone on up the Armagh shore here. He's gonna give it a throw, so I'm gonna cast and walk the whole way up to the top corner and see if I can turn anything. Would you believe I'm actually going to change a fly? I've put that in the point now, red and black. There's a stack of fish rising out there. The guys in the boat are getting plenty. I'll see if this does any good. It's hard getting out to the ripple. There's a stack of fish rising, and they're not looking at anything I have on, so I've gone for a variation in the theme. This is on the dropper, and on the point is this wee boy here, sparkly with a bit of a grey wing. Let's see how this goes. There's fish rising everywhere, and they're ignoring my best offers, which is not very nice of them. Fish on out there a bit. Come on, fish, you know you want to. Well, second cast with the new flies on. What's it on? It's on the big orange thing, which is very nice. Oh, he didn't like that. Come here, you. Not a bad wee fish now. Barbless. You've got to go barbless, boys. Bye. There's no reason not to go barbless. Right, we'll give it a chuck here at the boat ramp. See if there's anything about. The fish seem to have stopped rising. We are on the Kildarton now. Sort of last chance saloon. I'm down just between the boats, and the wind's hit me 45 degrees from the right to the left. The fish have stopped rising completely. Well, going back to that wee original fly seems to have worked. fish just rose there in front of me, but ignored me as usual. Well, that, folks, is more or less it. I fished my way down to the end of the Kildarton shore without further incident, and I'll be making my way back along the path back round to the car park very shortly. So 5 fish is not a bad day's fishing, come to think of it. There's bound to be one left in here somewhere. Oh, it's very slippy here. You could take a dip very quick. I'm going to move towards the shore a bit. It's getting kind of deep. Last cast. Right, that's it. Until the next time, all the best.